Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. Appreciate you being here. If this is your first time visiting, take a look around. Please subscribe. I appreciate it. I'm Jason Jordan, and my channel is all about helping people make money online. I've got several different programs. Got some of them broke down into some series here. So you go through, watch the series, you know exactly what to do. I also have some videos on traffic, so getting traffic several different ways. I've also got some training on ads and ad placement. So all to help you guys so that you can get in and get started as fast as possible running some of these businesses. Now today, I want to go over some changes that we've had for SHG and for our training site. So let me jump over there. So here we go. So not a lot different right on the surface, but inside there's been a lot of updates and a lot of training updates because with the way this business is growing and this team is growing, it's an ongoing job to try and get more in here, changing up as we test and as we find different things work better than others. The site's always being updated. So once you get in here, you're going to see the watch it first video. So you'll watch that first, just like it says, and it's going to give you a breakdown of basically what I'm going to go through right now, what to do first and how to get started. Okay. And I've had some questions about, I've had a lot of questions about things that are in this site. So really, if you just go through this step by step, once you join, this is going to give you absolutely all the information that you need. Now, of course, I'm always here and I never mind answering any questions. But just real quick, I wanted to run through this and just show some of the things that are in here and a little bit rearranged, and that's fine. It flows really well this way, okay? So time blocking and planning your success. So one of the most important things that you're going to want to keep in mind is your mindset and your scheduling. So make sure you have a good schedule in place once you start this, okay? I write everything down. I've always got notepads right here. I take notes. We've got another book and a planner back here. I'm always taking notes. I'm always writing, scheduling things so I can stay on track. Okay. And that's what you need to do. You need to run it like a business. This is not some side gig. If you want it to pay you like a business, you run it like a business. So everything on track and just time blocked out so that you know what you need to get done. Okay, then we move on to the proven steps to success. And again, this is more training in here. Okay, I'm not going to go into all of these because really this is for members of our team. So I don't want to give too much away, but I do want to show you what is in here and the value that is inside this our training site. Okay. So fast start guide, this is to get you up and going as fast as possible. Now, that is not to say we don't want you to just come in and binge or watch the first video and think you've got it handled and just go do. So you're going to want to come in, do your research, okay, watch the first step and let that kind of sink in, okay, then go do. Then the second step, when you're ready, take that, then go do, okay? You're going to want to make a plan. When you watch this, let the information kind of sink in so that you're understanding what you're doing. Now, if you're an experienced marketer, it's going to be a little bit different for you, but still, we have everything inside here set up and ready, and it's a really, really easy business to run. And I think everyone that gets in here is going to love this business because it's designed so that anyone can run it, and you don't have to have a lot of time training people. There's not a ton of setup in here. because everything is done. It's all done for you. It's copy, paste, okay? So in here, we also show you how to set up your forwarding domain. And that's pretty easy. We have your links in here. We show you how to set those up. I also show you in another one of my videos how to set up your forwarding domain. So you can go there, you can check that out. It doesn't take long at all to do. And a forwarding domain is very cheap to purchase, like $9 to $12 a year. So it's not that big a deal, and you definitely need a forwarding domain. So setting up your accounts, this is going to go through and just show you how to set everything up. And then taking action. So once you get prepped and you're ready, sorry, my internet's a little bit slow today. It's kind of windy and stormy out here in Texas. But we're going to keep moving forward. And then the wrap up, okay? This is the fast start wrap up. Now, on the next level training, you're going to see things like ads posting, okay? So how to effectively use Facebook, how to effectively use TikTok, Instagram, some of those. So all your short form video training is in here, and this will show you how to set up an account, okay? It's going to tell you the requirements right here that you need to have. And here's a video formula to get better results. And then how to pin and replying on your video comments. And then repurposing, okay? How to repurpose those. Stories and reels, and short form video playlists. So there's a lot of examples inside here, so that you never have an issue coming up with content. You always have content because you can just come in here. You can watch the videos that the members have done, and you can put a spin on it and go do it yourself. So you go make the video, and that's it. We've already done that for you, okay? And then in here we've got, let me get back up to where we were. There we go. So how to effectively use Facebook. Like I said, setting up your group, reels, engagement posts, all that stuff is in here. And there we go. So YouTube, I did have a question about, YouTube, and some people still struggle with using YouTube, and it definitely is a struggle in the beginning for sure. But it's easily figured out once you know how to do everything that you need to, and that is all in here. So this is a full series. This is actually paid training in here that DK has done, and this is free. None of this is, you don't have to pay for any of this. This is all free. But this training was a paid training that he sold on a different form as its own standalone training system, and now it's in here for free. And this shows you exactly step by step how to set up a channel, gives you keyword research, how to do that, creating your own content, how to record your content, tips on editing your content, how to upload to YouTube. So if you're brand new, this goes step by step and shows you exactly what you need. How and where to create thumbnails, and the reasons behind how you create a thumbnail. Creating notes and keywords, it's all in here. Creating playlists, so walk through how to create playlists. Playlists are going to be a golden goose. You're going to want playlists on your channel for sure. And how to jumpstart the algorithm. So that is all in here and ready to go. And this is all, none of this in here is paid. It doesn't cost you any more. This is all free training that our team has done to set you up for success. Okay, this is all free. There's probably, if I had to guess, I'd say there's $15,000 worth of training in here, honestly. but it's free, so no charge. All right, so then you're going to go down to, so this is some optional paid advertising. Some of the members use paid advertising. I use some paid advertising, and some don't. Whatever you do is your preference. So this is about paid advertising. I also have some videos on my YouTube channel about some paid advertising and free advertising that I use. So I've done those. You can go back and watch those. And also inside here, let me get back down there. So you got promoting on Craigslist. Okay. And buying traffic. So we use Traffic Authority within the group. I use Traffic Authority personally. It is good traffic. And this is where you could sign up. You would sign up for that. All right. If you want to do paid traffic, you don't have to, but if you want to use paid traffic, that's a good source. Business cards and promotional materials. This part is still coming. Okay. I do have some business cards that I made up that I hadn't made. So if you are interested in those before that comes up, I can get you that information. Not a problem. And I hand out business cards everywhere I go. It has my link on it, has my phone number, and everything that you can save and make money with SHG is all on my card. All right, so we'll go down, and then even all the way out to after you sponsor someone. So there's no guesswork, okay? After you sponsor someone, if you don't know what to do, you come right here, and this says, okay, right here, what to send them, how to place a new member, so in your org chart, and then placement strategies. So where and why you'd place where you do, okay? And then the advanced section. So if you are an advanced marketer and you do know a lot of how to do a lot of these things already, or if you're an advanced marketer and you just prefer to do it, you can absolutely do that. There's lots of stuff in here still for you that you can use. So here's advanced users overview. And if you come down here, we'll have the sales page only. So if you're, excuse me, if you want to just use the sales page, you can. Now you wouldn't want to do that unless you're advanced, because obviously there's a time and place to use that, use just that sales page. If you're new, you want to be sending your traffic to a capture page. And I would use that capture page inside the team training site, because they're already made for you. And they're good pages. They're nice looking pages. All right. So how to add a tracking tag right here. And there is a video here, just my internet's a little bit slow. And then there's some swipe copy if you want to write your own emails. I think there's 7 emails in here. And I already looked through these. They're there and ready. My internet's kind of slow, so. And then we have a team rotator. So this is where you would go join the team rotator. And this is where some of the retired funnels are. So some of the older funnels that we don't use a lot all the time. We got the Spanish funnel in there, so you can use that. I've used that quite a bit before. And then just some funnels that if you don't, these are just a little bit older funnels. It seems weird to say old because they're not really that old. But that's what I mean. All the time, this is being worked on. Okay, this site is being updated all the time, trying to find the best converting funnels and the best training out there so that you can have a good start for your business. And really, really very important is, well, this one too. So the team training replay calls are all in here. So the best thing to do is get on these in person. If you can't, not everybody can all the time, right? If you can't, the replays are in here. Okay, they're all in here. And then down here, you would definitely want to join our funnel team Facebook group. We exchange ideas, we chit chat, we throw out congratulations, do a lot of recognitions posts. That's where a couple of the Mindset Monday is on there, and the Focus Friday Facebook Live is on there. So you definitely want to do that because the support is good, right? There's a lot of mindset on there, and just people are in there all the time. Okay. So guys, I just wanted to give a quick overview today of how this kind of looks now. And this is always changing. But it's always changing for the better. So nothing is just willy-nilly. It's all tested, tried and true. So I appreciate you being here. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me out more than you know. I surely appreciate it. And join us in our business. Get joined up. Don't waste any more time. It's going to be a huge year for us. And the team is growing, and it's growing fast. So we'll see you inside, and we'll see you on the next one.